This colorful and tasty salad only needs a few simple ingredients, making it quick and easy to make. You can easily find everything at the store, or you might already have them in your fridge. If you're a gardener like me, slicing tomatoes or cherry tomatoes and cucumbers are staple plants in most backyard vegetable gardens, along with herbs like Italian and curled parsley, cilantro, dill, and basil. For the dressing, most households have salt, pepper, oil, preferably olive oil, and some kind of vinegar in their pantries. Let's start by measuring the ingredients for the salad. I'm making an 8 serving salad instead of the usual 4, so I'll double everything. For example, I'll use red wine vinegar. Normally, I'd need 1 tablespoon for 4 servings, but since I'm making 8 servings, I'll need 2 tablespoons. If you don't have red wine vinegar, any vinegar will do. Or even better, you can use freshly squeezed lemon juice. This recipe needs 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but since I'm making double servings, I'll need 4 tablespoons. If you don't have olive oil, you can use another type of oil if that's what you have, but it might slightly change the flavor. Just remember, extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest and most versatile options. Now for the veggies, I have 6 cucumbers with the ends cut off. I've already started slicing them into about 1/4 inch rounds, but they can also be cut into cubes if you prefer. These small cherry tomatoes are bite-sized, but I like cutting them in half for salads to make them easier to eat. In one of my videos, I talked about the nutritional value of tomatoes. The differences between regular slicing tomatoes and cherry tomatoes is small, but each one has its own benefits. Both are great sources of vitamin C and A, as well as potassium. Cherry tomatoes usually have a bit more vitamin C and carotenoids, like lycopene and beta-carotene, because they have less water and denser nutrient profile per gram. On the other hand, regular slicing tomatoes have slightly more potassium and vitamin K due to their larger size. Lycopene is a strong antioxidant that may help lower the risk of heart disease and some cancers. It is more concentrated in cherry tomatoes per gram. This is because their skin, which are rich in lycopene, make up a bigger part of the fruit. Both cherry and regular tomatoes are low in calories and packed with nutrients. A mix of herbs would be great for this salad, but sadly, all I have is parsley. I wish I had more herbs to add. I really enjoy using herbs in salads and usually throw in a little extra for an extra flavor. Combining different herbs in a fresh salad can make the flavor more exciting and vibrant. Each herb has its own unique taste, and when mixed together, they create a fuller, more enjoyable flavor. Basil adds a sweet, slightly peppery taste. Parsley gives a fresh, grassy flavor. Cilantro adds a bright citrusy kick. Mint brings a cool, refreshing touch. When used together, these herbs make the salad more balanced and flavorful without the need for heavy dressing or extra seasoning. Okay, that's it. That's all the parsley I have. I wish I could add more. Let's not forget the onions. These are the onions I harvested from my garden. I think I did it in October. Now that there's snow on the ground, it feels like gardening and harvesting were months ago. I already miss going outside every day to visit my garden, check on my plants, and look for flowers. There are still 6 long months to go before before we can start gardening again outside. Let's go back to our original topic, which is onions. Onions can be sweet and mild or bold and spicy, depending on the variety. They bring a pleasant aroma and a bit of crunch. They also add a sharp, punchy flavor, making the salad more interesting and harder to resist. On top of that, purple onion mixed with green and red veggies make the salad even more appealing. I'll mix the vinegar and olive oil in a measuring cup. Thinking about it now, I should have just measured and poured them directly into the same cup instead of using two separate ones. For seasoning, I only need a pinch of salt and pepper. I'll mix the salt and pepper into the olive oil and vinegar before pouring it over the veggies. Blending the mixture will make sure the salt and pepper are evenly spread throughout the salad. This bowl is too small for the salad tossers. I think spoons will do a better job of mixing the salad. Some cucumber slices are sticking together. To finish, I'll add a few more onion slices on top to make the salad look even better and more inviting. I'll just clean the bowl to make it more presentable. Doesn't it look better? There you go. Who could say no to this gorgeous salad? This salad tastes even better when it's chilled, so I'll put it in the fridge until it's time to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. Again, thank you, bon appetit, and happy gardening!